Hi, hello guys. Good day. It's another wonderful day that God given to us. So as what I promised last video that I was uploaded in the YouTube, that I would like to share with you about the circuit, the series circuit. It is different from the parallel circuit. Now these are the material, the receptacles. So we have three receptacles, therefore there are three bulbs also that you are going to connect in series circuit, so that you can somehow distinguish or differentiate between series and parallel circuit. But this time guys, it is more tutorial because it is open. I do connection in my table, and this is the single pole switch. This is the single pole switch. So therefore, what my task this day is, I have to connect three bulbs connected in series and controlled in one single pole switch. Also, we have our circuit breaker, our supply. So when there is a problem in our connection, this breaker is automatically trip off. And of course, the supply that we can get electricity. Okay. And by the way, the tools are the following. This one, the long nose pliers, the wire stripper, the diagonal plier or the combination pliers, the screwdriver and Philip, and the flat screwdriver. So these are the tools that we needed in our task this morning. So by the way guys, I let you see first the diagram for a while. Okay guys, this is the diagram. So notice, series circuit, three bulbs connected in series, controlled in one single pole switch and supply. So this is the diagram, line diagram of series circuit. Take note that one wire only akan gamit. Okay, so we'll start the connection. First, this is the terminal. We'll remove first the conductor. Okay, this is the receptacle. There are two terminals. Same, huh? Okay, from the supply. So we have to put first the supply in one receptacle. So this one. This is going to our here, the circuit breaker. So I will put first the bulb inside so that the bulb will not be falling down in my table. Okay, this wire is connected to the other receptacle. See? And then tight. Seem to be guys that you are connected the receptacle in chain position. Okay, the other terminal going to the other bulb. It is going to the other bulb, this one. Okay, proceed. Intermission. Okay, we are done in bulb area. So, notice guys, one wire only that are going to use this. Okay, so the terminal of this third bulb should be connected in, as you see in the diagram, it is connected directly to the switch. Okay, this is our switch as well. There's no, by the way guys, in AC circuit, there is no what we call the polarity. Polarity means has negative and positive. In this kind of circuit, and this switch, this AC or alternating current, therefore has no polarity. Any of this terminal, you can use it. Okay. So one, and then we use another conductor going to the supply. It is just a quick fit only, very easy. Insert, and you feel that clicking inside, so meaning it is okay. See? So this will be going to our supply, our circuit breaker. So, and then the other line from circuit breaker going to the first bulb, this one. Okay, so we are done. I'll show you. See? One wire only ang atong gigamit. So this is the power supply, in which we can insert in our convenience outlet. Okay, this is the finished product of the series circuit. This is the switch. Switch, and then the bulb, the 3 bulbs, and then the supply. So I have to insert here our supply. You have to switch on the breaker. So switch on. Okay, see? Notice guys that this bulb glow very little light. Why? Because this is a high wattage bulb compared to 25 watts. This is 100 watts. So I will get another bulb so that you can see the effect. Just for a while. So the same. Just for a while. Get another bulb. Again, it's not working because it is 50 watts. So we'll use 40 watts. And the light effect of 40 watts is very little only. See? Now, as I mentioned when I have the discussion about theoretical explanation about this series, I already discussed that when one bulb busted connected in series, the rest of the bulb connected in series will be affected. Now, shall we say this bulb not working? See, the other two bulbs affected, also not working. So this connection, guys, is not useful in our household electrical connection. Why? Because one bulb damage, all the house will be affected. All bulbs in the house will affected also. So we've got problem in having troubleshooting of this bulb. And then take note that when 3 bulbs connected in series, the voltage are divided depend on the wattage of the bulb. Less wattage, high glow of the bulb, and then the high wattage, very little glow only. So these are the difference between this. Compared to the parallel circuit, equal, because there are two ways that the voltage or the current flow going to the bulb. So this is, guys, just an explanation about the series circuit. I will do this since this is a tutorial. You can compare, guys, in the parallel circuit. Just back to my previous video in YouTube, and then you can check the difference between series and the parallel. Okay, guys, thank you, and don't forget to like view, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye for now, and see you soon, my student, if the face-to-face will be granted in our LGU. Thank you and good luck!